been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Good morning and welcome back to the vlog. Yes, today is Mr. Williams' birthday and there he is in bed. Unfortunately, the plans that we had didn't work out, so we just have to do something very simple today, but that's okay. His gift, when he gets it, should make up for it. It's just gonna be a simple day. I just finished doing my hair. Oh, good morning, Mrs. Williams. The camera not by you, man. But maybe we should turn the camera by you. I'll show you how the other Mrs. Williams looking at the yard. Oh, God. No, man, I'm not going to do that. I don't want nobody turning for me. So this is my client, guys, and I'm about to do her hair. I'm gonna install a lace frontal on her, so yes, they're bopping her big eyes. So I finished braiding her hair and I cleaned it up, and I actually spray some of the freeze spray on it. So I am finished my hair, guys. I'm about to, well, I just did another person's hair, so I'm about to get dressed now, and yeah, I will be back soon. So I'm going to go shower, and then I gotta get my makeup done, and I will show you guys the fit for the day. Yeah, so we're gonna start getting ready to head out, and thank you to everybody that has wished Mr. Williams a happy birthday and a happy anniversary. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. We really appreciate the love and support as always. But time to go jump in the shower and get this face beat and get this hair looking right. Even though it already looks right, it's still not done up yet. And get dressed. Okay, guys, so I am all dressed for our anniversary date. I am ready to go. Mr. Williams has been waiting on me. How long? So I'm gonna get Faye to bring the stuff for me. Mr. Williams is in the car, waiting so patiently. So I'm grateful as usual. Yes, guys, I'm the one that's running late. Mr. Williams. So there's the birthday boy. There's the birthday man sitting in the car. Huh? Me left? Oh God, you see I left for my anniversary. What a wicked man. Hello.
Stop lying. Mario, you only have to bathe.
Here, Mario. Beauty takes time. Listen, do you think this look just comes overnight? Comes easy?
You want an old woman?
Well, I have to perfect it. I already look beautiful, but I have to perfect the look.
No,
come, let me take a picture. Come.
You can turn her old if you want.
Where's the other bag? Put it in the car.
Well,
no, take the phone.
I'll use my phone.
No, your quality is not. Use my Mario phone, actually. Okay, I want a picture. Come, we're gonna take a picture. We need an anniversary picture. Huh? Put it in there. Your chip is in there. All right. Come on, Mr. Williams. Karine!
Use Mario phone. Might have Pandy.
What?
Might have Snapchat. Might have Instagram.
Karine! Mrs. Williams! Yeah, runway. Yeah. Here, Mr. Williams are getting patient. He said me and him left. Oh, tell me if you don't want to care so long. He said me and him left. Eh? Tell the people them say me and him left. Also, they're on the market. You hear, guys? I am on the market. I'm not up on the market, but me up on the market. Hello.
No, go
in no say my makeup go take time, so I'm happy. Oh, Faith, Rissa, plug in the flat iron for me, please. All right. I guess I might be. I'm back off the market. Am I back off the market now? No. Oh. All right. Okay then. Stay there. All right, guys. So we just took a few picked, and we are actually out now. Oh goodness.
Finally, after much hour later.
Don't even start with me, Mr. Williams.
You know, so me can't start because you know.
But but you forget I did my hair. I did Giselle hair as well, right? And me have to style it and give her a little flair. Hello. Just be grateful the eyebrows were already done. You don't want your wife to look pretty on our anniversary. After all the time, me I go look extra glam.
When you go there, you look ugly?
No, like I always look good, but I want to look extra special. It is a special day. It's your birthday and it's our anniversary and it's a milestone for us, so it's a very special day. So why can't I look? You know? Don't rethink them. Oh gosh. Oh what? I been chopped on this ease up on the tree, huh? You love your what?
Me all know.
You all? Oh my. Oh my.
Yeah.
What do you mean you're all? You're not all.
You know all no wool.
It's not the age that matters. Still young, fresh, and mighty in my eyes. Oh. So come here, drive this way.
Huh?
Oh, come here, drive this way.
Drive this way.
Oh. Okay, guys. So
Why
we
you
are.
want to drive the other way? You hurry? You hurry?
No.
So what?
Oh, I bet fruit that the roast or something just there burn. I bet fruit that the roast or something just there burn. Oh goodness. All right. Well, at least you still kind of got a good day.
Yo, to that dry day.
Yeah.
I know this is nice no play some football.
I wouldn't do it a nice day to go to the river.
No.
What do you mean no?
No.
Yes.
You not take the river?
Or to the beach. No. Right now, I would opt for the beach. Listen, after we go out and we go eat, I would opt to go skinny dipping in Night Beach. That sounds nice. Yeah, I would definitely do that.
Night Beach, you never come in your yard?
Come here. Nah.
You think I 11 o'clock curfew?
Nah. Where is it? Tomorrow before 11 o'clock curfew.
Well, before the birthday?
Yeah, tomorrow's Massa's birthday. Can you believe it, guys? Tomorrow would be Massa, my father-in-law's birthday. He would have been 95. 95. Oh my goodness. But don't worry, I got him. I gotta go do a little something nice for him. Oh my goodness, that's so crazy. But I guess I don't know where we're going yet, but we're heading out. Guys, if you guys look back at last year, our anniversary, I planned it. So this year is his planning.
Me?
His birthday, yes.
How come you plan on a birthday?
I know your birthday. Anniversary.
Birthday.
No, anniversary. Hello, you wanted to get married on your, because him wanted to be cheap and say, alright. Well, no, I'm not unnecessarily cheap. Like I couldn't remember the date. Because he couldn't remember the date. So he decided to get married on his birthday, so it made it easier for him.
We both decided.
But then it easier for him in a sense, but more hectic for me because I have to buy Father's Day, birthday, and anniversary gift in a one setting, and they're like back to back, right? So that is the issue.
No issue.
Wait a minute. Oh, there's no issue because
what?
You get all the gift them. Eh?
Where are the shoes?
What shoes?
Maybe car back.
Huh? The box is there.
Where you do it?
What me go do with it?
Where you do with the box?
It's at the door.
See you in the car back.
Hello, it's right there by your music box. Why didn't you pick it up?
In the car back.
Yeah.
You're not say too small. Or you can't pick it.
I just don't want it that small. I like
Yes.
Yeah.
It does stretch. Although you're not able to stretch.
Exactly. Me not gonna wear it that often. So how is it going to stretch? It's not going to stretch. It's always most likely.
But you just look around, you put your foot and you want this big one.
Okay. Fine. Maybe we don't need to bring it back then. Leave it.
It's too late.
Wait a minute, too late. You bring it back already?
Yes.
You're so disgusting. So why are you asking about it then?
Because you have your arena, you feel the comfort of it. You must know if you can manage it or not. Next thing you got to talk about is you tell me to carry back your shoes and you don't carry back. I mean, now you last time.
Oh my gosh, so the battery's dying on here already, and so I'm gonna go change it. But wherever the vlog ends off, that is pretty much, I guess, where it will be.
You know, best in every kind of darkness. Third eye open so I can see all the
Guys, you'll never guess where we ended up. With the Abada.
Part of the journey.
Part of the journey, though.
Stop and get fish.
So, I just wanted to get 2 fish for himself.
So
we there. Hello. Yeah, we'll save some. And we get Bammy. Yeah. On the AC because Mario had my hair blowing out the whole way up here. But me still like it because me get to see outside, right? So for me don't really mind to that. And me get the nice breeze because when me gone overseas, me just on the AC because if you're not on the AC, you're pretty much a dead. So nice fish. So yeah, we are fishing it up. We fishing it up a part of our, what you say, backstage. Hold on. If you love pop on this, if you love pop on this, reverse and reverse. So got some fish here. Well, they wrap mine, the ones them with stuff. The other ones, the Mario said he didn't want theme one wrap in anything, so I wrap these ones in.
Just put it on fire, babe.
Huh?
Just put it down.
Take right there. We wrap them wrong. Or we set the thing wrong. Okay. I'm gonna eat all of it. I just want a piece for my palate because I can't ruin our dinner. Yeah, Bummy. I can't ruin our dinner, so yeah, we're in here eating up.
Just one me I eat.
I just one. I mean, maybe I'll just eat half a fish. I don't want to. Actually, well, by the time we go down, we should be the drive and stuff to where we're going.
Should I get 2 beer? Getting beer, I know.
What one? Wish they had to get some wine. Or we would have stopped at that hot place. Where you pass? Huh? So this is a total difference from what we were doing last year. Total different. Okay. Yeah, want one? I love me some bami. Oh my gosh.
What happened?
Hot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shoot.
Where's the kid up, baby?
Eh? Babe, something they cut something there.
Wait,
At what them?
Mm-hmm.
Me rotten.
Here.
Thank you.
Don't try. Maybe more.
Oh, me try to keep the stuff inside. Me try to keep the things them inside. Alright, let me show you guys my lap.
No. No, 3 fish.
Oh, I know 3 fish me out. Well, there's 3 fish there, but all of them is not mine.
2, 3.
And look over there, you have 2 big ones. So yours alone make almost 4 because they're huge.
No.
Yeah, so this one love to show up when me I eat, and when him I eat, him act like him mouth can't open. That's how it always is. Him ever act like him mouth can't open when we out and we eating.
Okay.
You have my phone?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you do.
You know you have one?
Don't play with me. So we're gonna go eat some Bamiyan festival, and then we're gonna go head off for a drive.
What time you can meet him again? What time now?
No, perfect. It was alright. Okay, so I'm gonna go eat. I'm sure you guys don't wanna sit on here and watch us enjoy our food, cause Mr. William they eat for all I know. Look at him. So we'll be back soon, guys.
Need the keys to my car. Back.
Yo, Daddy, you don't give nobody the call.
Yeah, I know. Who knows? She may be one of the greats. You only allow 3 great women in your life. Who knows? She may be one of them.
3 great women.
I hope so. I hope so too.
And your wife.
Have fun.
3 great women. Maybe we can. At your BF?
No, please.
Eh?
You got my daughter.
Or not? All I wanna do. What a deep cara. Boy. Your daddy just don't know.
I think you're truly something special.
So we made a little bit of a stop, and look, oh, all the kids are jumping off the water right there. I'm holding a vibes. And Mr. Williams gone to the store to go get us a drink and for us to finish our journey. But I love it, like right at the side of the road they're having like a little miniature party. Everybody just enjoying themselves. That is what life is about, enjoyment. Say we don't know when we're going to be here, so might as well enjoy yourself now. But that's sweet.
A lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days I know it's every day. You want